Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Talk, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi there. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here and help you improve your English today.
We are diving deep into the fundamentals today. We're analyzing this amazing resource called the English Speaking Blueprint for Complete Beginners.
Mm-hmm.
And hey, if you find what we're talking about helpful, please just take a second to hit that like button.
And subscribe. It really does help us keep these deep dives coming for you.
Our mission today is, well, it's very focused. This blueprint is for you if you feel stuck.
Right. It's for anyone who can, understand English pretty well, but then you struggle to actually speak it.
Or if you just feel shy. You freeze up when a conversation starts. This is for you.
Exactly. We're not just going to give you a list of words.
No.
We're going to teach the foundation step by step. We'll show you how simple dialogues are built, slowly and clearly.
And we'll explain why these specific elements are chosen to give you that confidence boost right away.
We've broken it all down into practice moments, simple role plays, and really clear templates.
So maybe grab a notebook or just your phone.
Or just get ready to repeat what you hear because we are jumping right in.
Okay, let's unpack this. The blueprint says that to start speaking literally today, a beginner only needs to master 3 things, 3 simple pillars.
That's it.
What are they and, why these 3?
Okay, so the 3 essential pillars are, number 1, simple sentences.
Okay.
Number 2, polite expressions.
Makes sense.
And number 3, daily life patterns. And, I think the genius of this blueprint is that it really understands cognitive load.
Right. We're not asking you to memorize complex grammar rules.
Not at all. This is like the scaffolding that supports, I'd say, 90% of your basic everyday conversations.
So hold on, let me ask you this. Why start with something as basic as sentence structure? I mean, subject, verb, object. Shouldn't we assume everyone knows that?
Well, you might know it intellectually, but not for speaking, not automatically. We need to practice it so it becomes a reflex. That SVO structure is the bedrock. It lets you say what you need and what you want instantly.
So you don't have to pause and translate in your head?
Exactly. It's the engine of a functional sentence.
That makes a lot of sense. We're training a muscle, not memorizing a rule book. So let's load that engine. The blueprint has some great examples.
Yep, high-frequency examples. Focus on simple things. I need water. I like tea.
I have classes. I want coffee.
And for you listening, try saying these out loud with us right now. Let's do a little drill. Repeat after me. I need water.
I want food.
I like music.
I have work.
Yeah.
See? Just like that, you're already speaking English.
Perfect.
So now we connect that foundation to the second pillar, which is politeness. And this is maybe the most crucial social tool.
It is. And what's really fascinating is how the blueprint uses politeness as a confidence builder.
How so?
Well, when you use phrases like please and thank you, you're showing respect. That makes the other person more patient, more forgiving if you make a little mistake.
It changes the whole vibe of the conversation.
Absolutely. The list of phrases you need is actually really short.
Let's hear it.
It's just, please, thank you, excuse me, sorry, and then the 2 big ones for requests. Could you please?
And would you mind?
That's it. Now let's integrate them. You'll see how that simple SVO sentence gets wrapped in this layer of courtesy.
So instead of just help me, it becomes...
Excuse me, could you help me?
Or, sorry, I didn't understand.
Could you please repeat that?
Thank you so much.
Right. And we really invite you to pause for just a moment and try saying those phrases out loud.
Yeah, focus on a friendly, natural tone.
And hey, if you're practicing with us, tell us in the comments. Which polite phrase do you find yourself using the most? We'd love to know.
Okay, so now we have the building blocks, right? The simple sentence and the courtesy. Now let's see how the blueprint stacks them into templates for immediate use.
Right. You can't really start speaking until you can introduce yourself. So the self-introduction template is essential. And it's a perfect example of chunking.
Chunking.
Yeah, instead of panicking about what to say, you just fill in 5 simple blanks, and boom, you have a perfect introduction.
Okay, so what are the 5 parts?
It's Cruz. My name is, I am from, I live in, I speak, and finally, I'm learning English because.
Let's model that for everyone. I can go first.
Sounds good.
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm from Canada. I live in London. I'm learning new languages because I love travel.
Great. My turn. My name is Paul. I'm from the UK. I live in Manchester. I'm learning languages because I enjoy talking to people from different cultures.
And just like that, you've hit your first major speaking milestone. We really encourage you right now to follow that exact template.
Say your own introduction out loud.
Seriously, practicing immediately like this helps it stick so much better than just listening.
For sure. So that brings us to the third pillar, patterns.
Patterns.
If the SVO sentence is the engine, these patterns are like the reusable frame of the car. They're short formulas you can use for hundreds of sentences.
Okay, give us the first one.
Pattern 1 is, I want to. It just signals desire.
And you don't need any fancy grammar for this, right? You just add a verb.
That's all. I want to learn English. I want to eat lunch.
I want to go home.
Now for you at home, try to say 2 or 3 things you want to do today. Use that structure.
Okay, pattern 2. This one is about necessity. I need to.
Right. This is a bit different. It implies you have an obligation to do something.
Like, I need to study, or I need to work.
I need to call my friend. I need to buy milk.
Let's do a quick drill to lock this in. Say it with us.
Ready. I need to study.
I need to practice English.
I need to relax.
Good. Pattern 3 handles the future. I'm going to. This is for a plan you have.
And it's so much easier than learning complex future tenses.
Right. I'm going to cook dinner.
I'm going to watch a movie.
I'm going to sleep early.
Pattern 4 is great for a beginner's mindset. It shows progress. I'm learning to.
Ah, I like that one. I'm learning to speak English.
I'm learning to drive. I'm learning to cook.
And the last one, pattern 5, is for requests. It's basically a template. Can you?
Exactly. And when you add please after it, you have a perfect Fluent request. Can you help me?
Can you repeat that?
Can you explain this? So you see, by just mastering these 5 little chunks
You've unlocked hundreds of sentences.
without even opening a grammar book.
That's powerful. Okay, now for the most important step. Putting all of this into a real-life situation.
Yeah, this is where we see the pillars actually holding up a real conversation. We're going to do a quick role play.
Let's set the scene. You're at a cafe. You're ordering coffee, but you also need to ask her directions.
Okay, I'll be the barista. You can be the customer.
Got it.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning.
Yeah.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else for you?
No, thank you. Actually, excuse me, could you help me?
Of course.
Where's the bus stop?
Oh, easy. Just go straight when you leave and then turn left at the corner.
Go straight, then turn left.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See how those pieces fit together? We used I'd like, which is a polite way to say I want.
Right. And then you used, excuse me, could you help me for the request? And the directions themselves, go straight, turn left. They're simple but essential vocabulary.
It all leads into the next part. Fluency drills.
Yes. And remember, fluency doesn't mean being perfect. It just means speaking smoothly, automatically.
We want these patterns to be like a reflex.
Exactly.
Right.
So let's do drill 1. I like. Let's get some repetition. Repeat after us. I like tea.
I like studying English.
I like meeting new people.
Now it's your turn. Say 3 things you like out loud.
Okay, drill 2. Let's focus on routines, because practicing with your own daily life is the best practice there is.
Let's start with a really simple daily script.
I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I sleep.
Now let's make it a little more advanced. We can add details like times.
Hmm.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I take a shower. Then I study English for 20 minutes. See how we're stacking these simple structures?
Yeah, you're building complexity from simple parts.
Exactly. And that brings us to the final stage of the blueprint. Advanced beginner practice.
This is where we learn to handle things like transactions.
And how to express our feelings and opinions, things you need for, deeper social interaction.
Let's start with a scene at a store. This requires asking for the price and checking how to pay.
Okay, I'll be the customer again.
Sounds good.
Excuse me, how much is this?
It's $10.
$10.
Okay.
Let's take it. Do you accept cards?
Yes, we do.
Great, thank you.
Perfect. So a couple of key phrases there. How much is this? That's essential.
And I'll take it, which is just the natural, fluent way to say, I want to buy it.
Right. And beyond transactions, we need to talk about how we feel.
And again, the blueprint keeps it simple.
For emotions, you just say, I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm excited.
I'm hungry. I'm sad. You just have to remember the verb to be. I am happy.
Exactly. And for opinions, you can use the pattern, I think.
So I think it's good.
I think it's interesting.
I think it's easy. This lets you join a discussion without needing to build a really complex argument.
So let's bring it all together. One final role play. This one is about making plans. Listen for how we mix all the different patterns.
Okay, I'll start. Hey, what are you doing today?
Hey,
Yeah.
I'm going to study English this afternoon.
Oh, nice. I want to go to the cafe.
That sounds good. Did you want to study together?
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Great. Let's go at 3 p.m.
Perfect. See you then?
See how that flowed. We used phrases like, what are you doing today? And that sounds good.
Right. Those little connecting phrases are what make it sound natural.
They're just as important as the patterns themselves.
Okay, it is time for your final challenge, a mini speaking exercise.
We are going to ask you 5 questions.
And we want you to answer them out loud right away using the structures you just learned. This is the big test. Ready?
Question 1, what you want to do today?
Question 2, where are you from? Question 3, what food do you like?
Question 4, what time do you wake up?
And last one, are you learning English?
If you answered those, that is fantastic. You're doing it.
Now, to make it stick, write just one of your answers in the comments below.
Okay, let's finish with maybe the most important part of this whole blueprint, the mindset.
Yes, building confidence. The key takeaway is that this blueprint removes the pressure to be perfect.
You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking.
Mm.
In fact, trying to be perfect is what makes you freeze up.
All you need are simple sentences, a little bit of confidence, and lots of repetition.
The more you speak, even if it feels a little awkward at first,
The faster you improve, the more automatic it becomes.
remember the core mindset. 1 sentence spoken today is better than 0 sentences.
And 1 minute of practice is better than no practice. You are doing great work just by being here and listening.
So let's do a quick recap of the blueprint we covered today. We started with simple sentence structure,
Your engine. Then we added polite phrases.
the social lubricant. We built your introduction template,
Drilled those essential daily life patterns.
practiced everything in role plays.
And we finished with the confidence mindset.
Congratulations, you have genuinely explored the entire blueprint.
You have everything you need to start speaking with more confidence, starting right now.
So please, keep practicing with us every day. Consistency really is everything.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and tell us in the comments.
Here's our final question for you. What is 1 English sentence you will practice today?
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.